And guys, I am the traveling boy from Creator Academy. I'm about to take you on a tour of the most beautiful paradise in the world.
By the end, you will understand why I called this a paradise. Also, the kindest people in the world live in this country.
The people in this country will make you incredibly delicious food and drinks. ඒ වගේම තමයි අනිවා මුන් ඔයාලට සිංහල භාෂාවත් උගන්වයි. මොකද මේ අපේ අප්පුහාමිලට හරි ලේසි. ඉංග්‍රීසි ඉගෙනගෙන ඔයාලා එක්ක කතා කරනවා වඩා ඔයාලට සිංහල උගන්වන එක.
In fact, a lot of the things on this island, you can't find them anywhere else in the world.
This tiny island, it's a place full of amazing secrets. Yes, I am now going to tell you about the amazing things hidden in this tiny island.
Guys, what do you think that is? Can you even imagine why the top of that mountain is so perfectly flat?
This is Danigala Mountain. Yes, they call it Alien Mountain. Now you know why. මේ අපේ උන්ට මම මේ කියන්නේ. තොපි මේවායේ කුණු දාලා ජරා කරනවා එහෙම නෙවෙයි. හරිද? Guys, තව දෙයක්. ඔය කැලෑ ඇතුලේ උඹලා යද්දි නිතරම ජොලියට වගේ ගස්වල කොලාතු එහෙම සෑහෙන්න කඩනවනේ. මචං මේ අහපන්. කෑමට හරි බෙහෙතකට හරි නෙවෙයි නම් කිසිම වෙලාවක ගහකින් කොලයක් කඩන්න එපා. ඉබේම හරි ඒක වෙන්න ගියොත් මම මේ කියපු එක උඹලට මතක් වෙන්න ඕනේ. Let's go see the biggest animals in the world now.
Guys, you can see thousands of big and small animal species like this if you come to this miraculous island just once. You guys know about a king called Ravana? A powerful king who dealt with aliens lived in this wondrous land. The wondrous things on this island are endless. Even the location of this island is special.
Do you know this Sinhala language exists only in this country? Also, there is evidence of a very advanced technology. අපේ රට ගැන මම මෙහෙම කීවට උඹලා දැන් රාවණා හැරෙන කල්ලිමු කියලා බඩ උලාගෙන බකන් නිලාගෙන ඉන්නේ නැතිව වැඩ කරපල්ලා. හරිද?
Guys, what do you think this map is? The archaeologists who examined this finally said something truly amazing.
This is Anuradhapura's Ranmasu Uyana. Scientists believe this is a stargate that can travel to another dimension of the universe. So guys, there are thousands of places with ancient value like this on this island. It would take me years to show them all like this. See that in the distance? The purest drink in this world. It's getting too hot, so let's go cool down a bit.
අයියා තැඹිලි ගෙඩියක් කීයද?
Traveling boy, මේ ගෙඩියක් 150යි වෙන්නේ.
Yes, this is the purest drink in the world.
සුද්දොන්ට විතරක් නෙවෙයි. උඹලත් බීපල්ලා. මෙව්ව හරි රසේවා guys.
It's an amazing process how the essence travels from inside the tree all the way up to the fruit and fills it with this delicious water. And the purest natural drink in the world, you get it for a tiny price, like $1/2. You must come and try this.
Truly, in every single village of this country, there are beautiful things for you to see. I just don't have enough time to show everything. I put a post on Facebook asking what places to see when you come to Sri Lanka, and they have commented from every single village in Sri Lanka.
එකෙත් දාලා ඌ ඉන්නවලු ඌගේ ගමේ බලන්න ආවොත් සව් කොළ අලවල බල්බ් එකක් දාලා ගම මැද්දෙන් තියලා ඌව තමයි පෙන්වන්න වෙන්නේ සුද්දන්ට.
This is such an amazing country. You can switch to 3 completely different climate zones in just a few hours.
Also, the world's most valuable and best quality gems are found on this amazing island.
And on another side, hundreds Buddhist temples. Guys, අර කැලණිය පත නාගරාජයා ගැන නම් මං කියන්නේ නැහැ ඔන්න. Also, for you nature lovers, you can see dry forests like Pyala, the Habarana, the Vilpattu, and rainforests like Horton Place and Singharaja. The great mysteries hidden in Sigiriya
Polonnaruwa, and also Jaffna. The beautiful coastlines all over the country.
To explore the hidden mysteries of Ravana's history, to see beautiful places, and also to have endless fun on the beaches.
And also to experience the hospitality of the loving people of this country. මචං ආයුබෝවන් කිව්වට කමක් නැහැ. කුණුහරුප කියන්න පුරුදු කරන්න එපා. For a tourist, and also for someone exploring the nirvana in Buddhist philosophy, there is truly no better country than this. So this is the country you must visit at least once in your lifetime. Habibi, come to Sri Lanka.